Welcome. In front of me is a HOTWAV W11, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me is on the first page right over here. Once you see it, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on, or you can hold it. And this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. So you can go over these options right here, fiddle with them. Once you have done so, whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, find the toggle, tap on it, and you're good to go. Now, the way it's set by default, you will also need to remember to turn it off, otherwise it would be running indefinitely in the background. And to turn it off, you can just click on it once more. Now, there is one option that I recommend changing, so I'm going to navigate to the settings, and in here you have the duration for quick settings, which defines what happens when you manually tap on the toggle itself. I personally like to select it on a timer and make it something like 4 hours, so when I enable it and forget about it, the device will turn it off after the selected amount of hours, which just gives me this peace of mind that the mode won't be running indefinitely in the background. But in any case, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.